Dory Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week for you. This week's question comes to us from Robert from Florida. He's asking, do I need a lawyer to start a business? That's a very good question. You definitely need a lawyer to start your business because there are many things that you need to look into, especially if you're opening up a medical spa. If you're opening a medical spa, you definitely need a lawyer because you want to make sure what are the guidelines and compliances for each state in the country. So if you're opening in Florida, the compliance changes dramatically from state to state. So if you're living in Florida, you want to make sure what you can do in the state of Florida, whether a non-doctor can actually own a medical spa, or who can do the injectables, or who can operate a laser. So you want to make sure that you're doing everything by the book. And even if you're opening up a day spa, you still need to make sure that you have all your legal documentations in a row. You need to make sure you have all your employment agreements in the row. There are so many things that really are essential for you to definitely get a lawyer to help you with. So we get this question actually all the time, and we do work with a lawyer who's very familiar with medical spas and day spas, and that can definitely help you and let you understand the laws in your area to make sure that you are doing things by the book. Now, Allison Avila is actually the attorney that we recommend and we refer to. And not only that, I'm super excited about working with Allison because she actually has all the documentations that you need. She has all the consent forms. She has all the agreements, everything that you might need all in one document. And we just discussed actually offering that to members of our community. So we're working on that currently to make sure that you are provided with the tools that you need to make sure that you're doing things legally. So you can reach Allison in case you want to reach out to her before your opening. Her last name is Avila, so it's Avila, and Allison is spelled Alllyson, like Allie and Son. And she works with Gordon, Reese, Scully, and Mansokani, and they are attorneys that are operating actually in 50 states. So no matter where you live, I know that, Robert, you live in Florida, but no matter where you live, you'll be able to contact Allison, and she can actually give you all the guidelines that you need no matter which state you live in. So that's the great thing about working with a company, a group of attorneys like her, and they're very familiar in the medical spa arena and day spa arena. So make sure you reach out to her. The website that you can contact her at is GRS, G like George, R like Robert, S like Sam, and M like money.com. And that's where you can reach her, or you can dial her to 914-777-2211. That's her contact information, and she'll be able to help you. But once we have that product available also for you to purchase, you'll be able to find it on the shop at inspirationmanagement.com, and you'll be able to download all these forms, customize them, put your logo on them, and you're ready to rock and roll. So don't make the mistake of not checking with an attorney before you actually open, because you want to make sure that you have everything in proper positioning and you have dotted all your I's and crossed all your T's. So reach out to Allison Avila and she'll be able to help you out. Hope I answered your question, Robert. If you need any business help, you can always reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you. All right. Hope this answered your question. And if you too have a question, make sure you send it to Dory at inspirationmanagement.com so we can help you get the answers that you're looking for. Until next time, stay inspired.